All right, Sebastian, what's going on now?
Lots of vacuums.
Lots of vacuums?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, whose vacuums are all of these?
Mine's.
They're yours?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Are
I
they
got-
all of them are
I got
yours?
this one from Aunt Sam.
You got that one from Aunt Sam?
Yeah.
Yeah, that iRobot, the Roomba she gave you?
Yeah.
That's so cool.
So, how about we have 1, 2, 3, start them?
You want to do 1, 2, 3 and start them all up?
No. Say 1, 2, 3, turn them all on.
1, 2, 3, turn them on.
Not yet. Who turned that one on?
I think you did.
That one's off.
Yep.
So, I just hung myself.
Did you bonk?
Yeah, in the video. I
Yeah.
bonked in the video.
You did bonk.
Yeah.
Is your head okay?
Yep.
Okay. All right, we want to start all these guys up and get them ready?
No. Turn them, say 1, 2, 3, turn them all on.
1, 2, 3, turn them all on!
Welcome to use robot vacuum cleaner. Smart lifestyle starts now. Lifestyle starts now. Hello, Master.
All right, are we ready to fire all these guys up?
Not yet. We have to turn the golongele.
All right, are we ready?
Yep.
All right, and 5,
That
4,
was hot lava.
3, 2.
That was hot lava.
It was lava.
Yeah.
You gotta be careful.
Okay.
All right, 2, 1, race!
No! Stop! Dad! Stop the all back on. Dad, stop turning back on.
Ribbon task canceled.
All right, you get them all?
Yeah.
All right, you want to tell everybody thanks for watching?
Not yet. You keep driving them. You keep driving them, Dad.
Keep driving them, but they're all off.
Why?
Because you turned them off.
Oh.
Yeah.
But how did I do that?
You push the button.
Oh.
Yeah. Do you want to say thanks for watching?
Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.
All right. Bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody.